everyone, welcome to Craftamo. Today, we will take a look at the January box from Lefebvre's watercolor subscription boxes. Inside, you'll get a printed card of the artwork, and at the back, there's the link to the tutorial. Next is the watercolor tin and palette, which you will only get at the first box. But this is very essential because this will hold all the watercolors that you'll be getting every month. Then we have the half pans, and there are 4 individually packed watercolors. We also got 2 brushes, a 3/4 inch flat and a size 8 round brush. And lastly, we have 5 sheets of 300 GSM cold pressed watercolor papers. Before we move on to the painting process, I'll just prepare my watercolors. So, we got 4 paints here, a mauve, ultramarine, burnt umber, and Chinese white. I'm just going to show you a sped up process of my painting, but you can learn the full and detailed step-by-step tutorial when you purchase the box. Anyway, I just want to share a little story. So, I'm kind of intimidated by watercolors because I find them very difficult to fix mistakes. Like, you cannot easily erase or paint over errors in the same way that you would with opaque mediums such as acrylic or oil. That's why, for me, watercolor is the hardest medium to master. But as I go through the tutorial, I'm really enjoying and loving every step. Emma is also a great mentor because she will teach you all the basics that you need to know, plus give you some tips for watercolor paintings. So again, this is a subscription box. So every month you'll get a new tutorial from Emma, plus new supplies like paints, brushes, and papers that you'll need for that project. And here's my final painting. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again in our next art video. Happy painting!